Okay, so I'm skipping number 2 so we can do that in class since we've already done one example like that in the video. So we're going to do number 3. Conditional relative frequency and probability. So we're going to apply what we've learned about that, which we haven't learned anything yet. So we're going to learn it and apply it at the same time. It's Sunday. Okay. A reporter asked 150 voters how they plan to vote on a new sports stadium and a new performing arts center. Complete the table of joint and relative frequency. So we're going to take this table and fill in this table. So before we can fill this in, we need to know totals. Again, we always need to know totals. So I'm just going to put a line here, a line here, line here, a line here. So how many people said yes to Performing Arts Center? We need to add 58 and 32. 58 plus 32 is 90. How many people said no? 23 plus 37 is 60. We already know the total. They told us up here it's 150. Okay. How many people said no? 23 plus, oh, we already did that. Just kidding. How many people said yes to the sports stadium? So 50, 58 plus 23 is 81. How many people said no? 32 plus 37, 69. Okay. So this is how we're going to find the joint relative frequencies and the marginal relative frequencies. We're going to take 58 and divide it by, hold on one second. Yeah, divided by the total number. So 58 out of 150 for this one right here is 0.38. Actually, we're going to go 0.39. 0.39. Okay, so let's move over and go no. So 32 divided by 150 is 0.21. Okay. The total for yes, we're just going to add these together. 0.39 and 0.21 make 0.60. Okay. So let's find no. 23 divided by 150 is 0.15. 37 divided by 150 is 0.25. Add those together and I get 0.4. This one here, so if I add these two together, I'm going to get 1, which is what you want. You want 1 in this corner. Okay? If I add these two together, I get 46. If I add these two together, I get 54. Okay? So we just filled in this table, which is really cool. These little boxes here, these 4 boxes here are joint relative frequencies, and then these 6 or 5 boxes here are marginal relative frequencies. Okay? You can think they're in the margins of the table. So that was part A. So part B. If a voter plans to say no at the sports stadium, what is the probability the voter also plans to say no to the new Performing Arts Center? So we're going to go say no to the sports stadium, no to the sports stadium, and no to the new Performing Arts Center. So we're going to look, where does it say that? It says 0.25% out of, so people who say no to the sports stadium, well, how many of them, what's the probability of them saying no to the Performing Arts Center? So 0.25 out of the total, which is 0.46. Which if I plug that in, it's not 1 because that's people saying no to both out of everybody. We want to know no to the sports stadium given that no to the new Performing Arts Center. So that we're using that conditional probability formula again. So we're going to figure this out. 0.25 divided by 0.46 is 0.543. Okay. So that's how you use a table to figure out joint relative frequency and marginal relative frequency, and then use this table to figure out probability. You could have also used this table up here, but a standard that we need to learn is how to fill this table in. Okay,